This is the Sony SRS XB44, also known to most people as the Sony SRS XB43, and Sony claims it's the ultimate portable party speaker with serious bass, lights, and durability. But after actually living with it, using it indoors, outdoors, and way louder than my neighbors probably appreciated, I found a few things Sony doesn't exactly highlight in the marketing. So, is this speaker still worth your hard-earned cash in 2026? Let's talk about it. Sony SRS XB44 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the Sony SRS XB43, part of Sony's extra bass lineup, originally released in mid-2020 but still widely sold and surprisingly relevant today. It sits above the XB33 and below Sony's massive party speakers, targeting people who want big sound without going full boombox. It's designed for outdoor hangouts, backyard parties, beach trips, and honestly, anyone who wants loud, punchy audio with zero fear of water, dust, or drops. Sony's big pitch here is extra bass, long battery life, flashy LED lighting, and rugged durability, all wrapped in a portable grab-and-go design. Sony SRS XB44 Performance. Here's the thing, this speaker hits hard. The dual passive radiators and dedicated tweeters give the XB43 a sound that's bold, loud, and very bass-forward. I used it for everything, from background music while working to full-volume backyard playlists, and it never felt underpowered. Bass is deep and punchy without completely drowning out vocals, which is something cheaper bass-boosted speakers struggle with. According to PC Mag and R.Dot ratings, clarity holds up surprisingly well even at high volumes, and I agree. Vocals stay present and highs don't turn into painful static. That said, this is not an audiophile neutral speaker. The sound signature is warm, energetic, and fun. If you're listening to hip-hop, EDM, pop, or workout playlists, it's fantastic. Jazz purists or classical listeners might find it a bit aggressive. Features and tech. First up, extra bass mode. This boosts low-end response, and in real life it means kick drums feel physical, not just audible, perfect for parties or outdoor spaces where bass usually disappears. Second, IP67 water and dust resistance. You can literally rinse this speaker under a faucet. Poolside, beach sand, sudden rainstorm, zero stress, and that peace of mind matters more than you think. Third, LED lighting effects. Normally, I roll my eyes at speaker lights, but these are tasteful. They sync with the music and add legit vibe to nighttime hangouts. You can also turn them off completely to save battery. Design and build. Design-wise, Sony nailed the rugged but premium look. The fabric mesh feels durable, the rubberized ends absorb drops, and the whole thing feels built like a tank. But let's be honest, it's not small. At nearly 7 pounds, this is more carry with intention than throw in a backpack. The built-in handle helps, but portability is relative here. Buttons are physical, easy to find by touch, and responsive, even with wet hands. Overall, it feels like a speaker designed to survive real life, not just look good on a shelf. Battery life. Sony claims up to 24 hours of battery life, and in real use, that's mostly accurate. With lights off and volume around 50 to 60%, you can absolutely get 18 to 20 hours. Crank the volume and keep the LEDs on and expect closer to 12 to 14 hours, which is still solid for a speaker this powerful. Charging happens via USB-C, and yes, it can charge your phone in a pinch. Not fast charging, but emergency use handy. Pros. Powerful, punchy sound with deep bass. Excellent durability, IP67 rated. Fun but optional LED lighting. Cons. Bass-forward tuning isn't for everyone. No Wi-Fi or smart assistant support. Final verdict. Look, if you want a serious portable speaker that gets loud, hits hard, and survives anything from beach trips to backyard chaos, this is still a fantastic buy. It's especially great for bass lovers, party hosts, and outdoor enthusiasts who care more about energy than ultra-neutral sound. But if you're after something lighter, more compact, or more balanced for critical listening, you might be better off with something like the JBL series or Sony's smaller XB43. Bottom line, the XB43 isn't trendy, it's reliable, powerful, and fun, and sometimes that's exactly what you want.